Hi, this is Kate with Kiss My Keto, and I'm here to show you the Peak Performance Bundle, which is our nootropic trio of capsules, and it supports mental clarity and an enhanced mind. So the first product is Kido Energy. Kido Energy is awesome because it contains both caffeine and L-theanine as well as MCT oil. So the L-theanine sort of calms you down from the alertness that you'll get from the caffeine and the MCT oil. The next product is Keto Burn, and Keto Burn is amazing. It's a proprietary blend of herbs, including, green tea, green coffee, apple cider vinegar powder, and a bunch of other things that I'm not going to try and read. And it really helps support your appetite, support your metabolism. So that's great for anyone who feels like they have an unruly appetite. The final product in the Peak Performance Bundle is Keto Focus, which is also a premium blend of herbs that are designed to help you stay focused and concentrated. Keto flu sometimes can give you brain fog, so this completely wipes it out. There you have it, Peak Performance Bundle. I highly recommend it, so buy it before it sells out.